All right, so this video is about how to deploy a Next.js website to Vercel in under 5 minutes. So let's get started. I got the repo here and let's install Next.js with this command. You can find it in the Next.js documentation, getting started page. Great, now that it's installing, let's change directory to our app, npm run dev, just to make sure that the website's here. Let's open it up on localhost, and this is the website that you get. So just for fun, let's update the text on the homepage so that it says my website. Let's just say my website, and I'm not even going to correct the spelling on that. And there you go, my website. So ideally you would make this page look like you want it to look like, CSS and all that good stuff. And now that it's live, you should save your changes. So let's say website is complete. Please name your commits properly for working with a team, because it is a pain under, trying to figure out what the commits mean. So perfect. We created this. It's pushed up to GitHub. Now let's open this up in GitHub. And here we can see that our website is complete. Now let's head on over to Vercel so that we can deploy our website. And let's perfect. So here we have all our projects. I'm going to head on over to my account and just say add new project. We are going to select the GitHub repository that we just created and push changes to, which is this one right here. Let's import the code. And what type of website is this? It's a Next.js site. What's the root directory? This folder is a root directory of the app, so let's select that. We do not have any API keys, environment variables, or anything. There's no CMS. It's just a static website. So let's deploy that. Vercel is getting the code from GitHub, installing the packages, building it, running the server. Deployment started. You can see the build logs, right? It's installing dependencies. Let's wait a few seconds. So far, we're 3 minutes in the video. We got 2 minutes remaining. Yep, it builds the pages. Now it's deploying it, and voila, congratulations. Ooh, something happened. Perfect. So let's fix it. Let's click on it, and not found. 404. Wow, that is some beautiful stuff. Let's see if we can build it locally. npm run build. Perfect. npm run start. It's on local server, and perfect. It is working. So something is up here. Let's go to deployments, redeploy, just in case something happened. Deployment settings. Build and deploy settings. I mean, it needs to be a Next.js website, so maybe that part was not saved properly. So now I did save it properly. Let's head on back here. deployments, and let's redeploy again. We made some changes. We probably did not select Next.js properly. And we are 5 minutes and 15 seconds on our video. The second one did not work because it was probably not as Next.js build. So we're a little over 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 seconds. All right, perfect. So this third build worked. Now we deployed our Next.js website to Vercel and it only took us 6 minutes, 50 seconds. Now let's go back to our build. Here it is. We can go to domains. Oops, sorry, wrong project. This is the right project. We can go to domains and we can just add an existing domain. Let's say this is our website.com. And we're going to connect it to the production Vercel environment. Let's hit save. Now it's going to say invalid configuration, and we just need to add this CNAME into our domain DNS records, as well as this A type record. And within 15 minutes, as long as DNS propagates, you are now pointing your domain name to this Vercel project. And just like that, you can have your website live in between 5 to 10 minutes. Easy peasy, no provisioning, infrastructure, no manual SSL creations, load balancers, EC2 groups, VMs, startup scripts, manual CI/CD pipelines, GitHub Actions, none of that. This takes you straight to production in low time. Now, Vercel can be expensive long term. That's why most teams pivot to other type of infrastructure, but if you don't have enough usage, then free tier might be good enough for you. So yep, you can upload a Vercel in less than 10 minutes.